Hello everyone and welcome to Shiny Pokemon Rips. Today we are opening 16 packs of Destined Rivals. So Destined Rivals is the latest set to come out until tomorrow, the 18th of July, which will be the new set coming out, black and white. And yeah, so the main chase card is Mewtwo in the SIR. We have not hit that before. We are hoping for that card, but we'll take anything really good. Destined Rivals is actually one of my most funnest sets to open. It's my favorite, one of my favorite sets too. So let's get straight into it and see how we go. So they were $8.50 from Kmart. So code card for anyone who wants. All right, and I actually forgot to do the energy to start with, so we'll have to start that with the second packet. Just making sure I'm in camera. First pack into the reverse macro. Nothing there. And nothing for the first pack. So one down, 15 to go. We'll just go left side first. We'll see which side produces the most, or if anything. So Cynthia's Garchomp SIR is the second best card we're looking for. Then third would be Ethan's OO. That's the third best. Code card, I'm going to go yellow energy. Nothing. Right, with the energy guesses, even though it's only been one. Coming up on the reverse. Nothing in there. Oh, we have Ethan's Adventure for the first card, first hit. Full up. Ultra rare. Give you a look. So pack number 2, we seem to have a bit of luck with the second packs. Let's see it there. So we'll put him up with good old trusty Venusaur. I'll put Venusaur to the left a bit, to the right a bit. And you can see that in the camera. Just there we go. So off to a good start. So I'm chasing I've got about 12 or 13 different illustration rares and SIRs to get, and I've mastered set it. So Mewtwo is the main one I do need. Oop. Ethan's Adventure is trying to go on an adventure. Okay. Into, oh, and we have an illustration rare. It'll be Team Rocket's macro, I think. Yes. And nothing on the last one. So left side is producing very well. So I'll put in there. So 3 packs in and 2 hits. So at the end of the video I'll go over everything that we got. Off to a good start. Just need to get the first SIR on the channel. Fighting energy. Lightning energy. Sort of rhymed. Need to get that first SIR. Oh, on this one, is it going to be an ultra rare? Oh, we have an ultra rare. And we have another hit. Very nice. I actually don't have this one. This is one of the ones I'm chasing. So 3 hits, 4 packs. And yeah, this one's not worth much, but I am I haven't pulled him, I am missing him. Put him there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So pack number 5. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Have to do the math then. Pack number 5. Code card. Grass energy. Oh, even getting the energy guesses right. Into the last, and just the normal hollow. So left side is producing pretty well. There's no God packs in Destined Rivals, unlike 151 and Prismatic, which do have God packs, code card, and grass energy, water energy, which I didn't even do. So excuse me for that. Reverse, and this is going to be normal, and it was water energy. So one more hit, I'll actually be satisfied. I am already satisfied, but one more. Fire, psychic. Haven't hit a double rare yet. Probably due. Nothing. Oh, I just said it, and this will probably be Moltres or Persian. Another little hit. So 4 hits, 7 packs, going on to the 8th. So it's going to be hard for the right side to win. Code card, and I'm going to go fire. Okay. Can we get one more? Can we get no? So the left side produced two full arts and 1 illustration rare and 1 EX. Sorry, yeah, 1 double rare. So that side was good. Be nice to get the same on the other side. Going on to the right side, let's see if right is right. Code card for anyone who wants. Water energy, psychic energy, Ratata. Coming up to the reverse, and just the standard Hydra apple for the hollow. It's always the second packet that I get something. So this is the second pack for right side. We'll continue. Code card, psychic energy, lightning energy. And no, this side is lacking in hits. So we're off to a good start before 3 hits out of 4 packs. And then it's calmed down a lot. Still a fair few packs to go. Code card. Lightning energy, which I forgot to say, but I was going to say fire. An EX again. Oh, EX. So first hit for the right side. Not chasing them EXs, but we'll take them. Alright, come on guys, can we do this? 1 SIR. Water energy. No. Oh, Ethan keeps wanting to go on an adventure. Element up to the reverse. Yes, we have a illustration rare. And I don't know, is that Misty Psyduck? Yes, now that is a good card we want. That's one of the top chasers. Well, up there in the top 5 I believe, or top 6. And another one I have not pulled. I think this is around between $60 to $80 card. As you can tell, I can tell what they are before I even show you, because I know that the arts, because I've been looking at this set so much and opening a lot of packs. I'll just put this in. Yeah, this is a good card. Very happy with this. That's nice. So that's right up there in it'd be the top 5 I believe, or top 6. So 2 for 2. 2 out of the last 2 packs for the right side at the moment. Can we make it 3? I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to put it here. So there. Hello Misty. Grass. Water. Last one. Nothing on the rare. 3 to go. Three to go. So I already got a fair few hits. The bulk is starting to stack up right now. So there we go. Code card. Yellow energy. No, back to the cakes. Alright. One more hit would make it beautiful. Alright. Double rare. Still good. Still taking it. These packs are produced pretty well. Misty Psyduck, I've been wanting that card for a while. One of the top illustration rares to hit. I think it's the best illustration rare to hit. And then you got the SIRs on top of that. Grass. Oh, had a couple right tonight. One more illustration rare, or one more double rare, which is not. Down to the last pack. Let's rub it on Venusaur for good luck. Come on, Venusaur, help us out here. Already pleased with what I got, but you can never be greedy with too many hits. Alright, code card, and let's go. And of course, I did not guess. Probably would have said fire because these packs were fire. Alright. Not going to be an SIR. And just a normal rare. But that's alright. So let's see what we got. For the double rares, we have 3. 1, 2, and 3. Everything's going everywhere, excuse the mess. Okay, I'll go for the ultra rares, full arts. We have 2. So 2 of them, 3 EXs, and 2 illustration rares. Misty psyduck being the best. That's a beautiful card. Have a look at that. It's the back doing. Yeah, it's in the top 10. Either way, it would be in the top 10. And Team Rocket's macro. So we had 2 illustration rares, 2 full arts, and 3 EXs for total 7 hits. 7 out of 16, which is about 45% hit rate, which is good, which is great actually. Anyway, this is Shiny Pokemon Rips, and thanks for viewing.